In this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and fix issues when your microphone isn't being detected by Wispr Flow. I'm starting on the main troubleshooting page, which covers Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android. If Flow isn't picking up my voice, the first thing I'll do is run through these quick checks. I'll look at the service status banner for any known outages and ensure my hardware mute button on my keyboard hasn't been accidentally pressed. I also need to verify my system's input volume in the settings and test the mic in a different app, like voice memos, to see if the issue is system-wide or specific to Flow. Now, I'll scroll down to the How to Fix This section to find platform-specific steps. I'll open the Windows section to demonstrate. First, I need to grant microphone permissions in the system settings. If it's already enabled, I'll toggle it off and back on, then restart Flow. Next, I'll open the Flow settings from the system tray, go to the microphone tab, and manually select my device by name rather than using Auto Detect. I can then test the mic by dictating a short phrase to see if text appears. If I'm still having trouble, I'll try a full restart of the app or reset the local database, which won't affect my cloud-synced content. Scrolling further down, I can find solutions for more specific common issues, such as transcript failures or audio capture interruptions. Many of these minor bugs are easily resolved by simply updating Flow to the latest version. By following these steps, I can quickly get my microphone back up and running for seamless dictation. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.